How do you build a premium product campaign from scratch without a photo shoot, studio, or a production crew? In this video, I'm creating a complete natural juice brand with a clean, modern identity and fresh, vibrant visuals using ImagineArt. I'll walk you through how I designed product hero shots, ingredient-focused visuals, movement shots, lifestyle scenes, and then turned everything into commercial-ready videos. From brand concept to a full campaign, all inside one workflow. So the first step was defining the brand identity, and I started by writing a prompt for the brand's aesthetic and the design, and I described exactly what the brand represents. I connected my prompt to the Image Model Nano Banana Pro and to the Image Model Sea Dream without any reference images, and I got these two results. I decided that I liked the result from Nano Banana Pro much more, especially because of the logo. The brand is called Root. And I decided to continue with this image. I used it as a base for all future steps. And the next step was the product hero shots. So again, I wrote a prompt about the product hero shots and how the glass bottle of juice is on a clean light background. I described everything more in detail and connected my prompt and the previously generated image to the image model Sea Dream. And I did a couple of different tries with everything arranged in a bit of a different way. And yeah, all of my results were made with Sea Dream. And then I used these images as a base for the next step, which were the ingredient focused shots. So I wrote different prompts for each step here. And I wanted to see the previously generated products in different backgrounds, environments, and so on. So yeah, I started by writing a prompt. In this case, I wanted the bottle to be styled with matching background colors and fruit elements to create a visually appealing design. And again, I started by using Sea Dream. And I got these results. And then I also decided to continue with Nano Banana Pro, which also provided very nice results in this case. And then for the next shots, I wrote another prompt where I described how I have 3 different columns and with 3 different juice tastes, backgrounds, ingredients, and these were the results that I got from this step. Next, I wrote another prompt for 5 juice bottles that are each topped with a different fruit or vegetable based on the label and the taste of the juice. And I got these results with Nano Banana Pro. And for the last step of the ingredients focused shots, I wrote another prompt, how I want the bottles to be placed on white blocks and surrounded by fruits and vegetables. And first I wanted to see everything on an orange background and then on a green background to highlight the natural feel of the brand. And for all of these images, I used these previous ones as reference images. Then the next step were some movement shots. So I used the previously generated images, again as references. And for each step, I wrote a different prompt, detailed about how I want to see the scene. I connected my prompt to the image model. And in this case, I wanted to see the strawberry basil taste with splashes of juice and fruits all around it. For the next step, I wanted to create a ginger, lemon, and basil shot in a dark background with the bottle open and splashing. The next one was for peach, apple, and pineapple. Here I did a couple of different variations, and I think I actually like this one the most. And for the last one, I wanted to create the kiwi, blueberry, and apple taste, again with an open bottle, which is splashing juice around it. So yeah, these were some more dynamic compositions. And then I also wanted to create some lifestyle scenes. So first I created some scenes where a person is holding the bottle. I was using the previously generated images as references. I wrote a prompt about this healthy lifestyle scene. And yeah, a person is holding the juice with a natural background. I connected the prompt to the image model Nano Banana Pro, and these were my results for the strawberry basil and the ginger lemon taste. And then I also wanted to see a scene where a young person is drinking that juice somewhere outdoors in nature. And yeah, I created again a version for the strawberry basil and for the ginger lemon taste. And then I used all of these images as a base, as a start frame for the videos, which were my last step. And again, I wrote a prompt about a slow cinematic rotation of a juice. I connected it to the video model Kling, and I got various different results. Then for the next videos, I used the more dynamic shots from the movement step, and I wrote a prompt about an energetic motion and movement of the juice bottle, like with the ingredients around it, splash effects, and the bottle is floating. And I created these video results with sea dance and with cling. And then for the last step, I used also the lifestyle scenes with the person drinking the juice outdoors. I connected my prompt to the video model Cling, and here were also my results. So as you can see, the same product identity flows through hero shots, ingredient scenes, lifestyle images, and full commercial videos. They're all consistent and all brand aligned. So instead of creating assets separately, this approach builds a complete visual ecosystem around one product, and that's what turns a simple juice bottle into a premium brand experience. If you found this useful, comment AI to get access to the full workflow link. Thanks for watching.